In this video, I'm going to show you how to change slide layout in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily. If you're building a presentation and want a different look for one slide, or you need to switch between a title slide, title and content, or a blank slide, this is the exact method you need. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation open, you can simply open that file instead. Once you're inside Impress, look at the slide thumbnails on the left side of the screen. This is where all of your slides are listed, and it's important because you need to select the exact slide you want to edit. Click the slide you want to change. As soon as you select it, make sure it becomes highlighted so you know that slide is active. This step matters because any layout change you make will apply only to the selected slide. If you want to change multiple slides, you can repeat the same process slide by slide. Now, move over to the right side of the window and open the Properties sidebar if it is not already visible. In LibreOffice Impress, this sidebar contains many of the formatting and slide options you'll need. Inside Properties, find the section called Layouts. This is the area that controls the overall structure of your slide, including where titles, text boxes, and other content appear. Once you find the Layouts section, look through the available slide layouts. You'll usually see options like Title Slide, Title and Content, Title Only, Blank Slide, and other preset arrangements. Click the layout you want to use. The moment you click it, LibreOffice Impress will instantly apply that layout to your selected slide. You do not need to save or confirm anything separately because the change happens right away. If the new layout doesn't look the way you expected, just select another one from the same section. This is one of the best things about Impress. You can quickly test different slide styles until you find the one that fits your content. For example, a title slide works great for the beginning of a presentation, while a title and content layout is perfect for bullet points, images, or short explanations. If you want a clean look with no placeholders, a blank slide is the best choice. It's also a good idea to match your slide layout to the purpose of the slide. Use a layout with a title and body when you want structure. Use a full-width visual style if you're focusing on an image or graphic, and use a blank slide if you want complete freedom to place your own elements anywhere on the page. Choosing the right layout can make your presentation look much more polished and professional. If you're working on the longer presentation, you can keep clicking through your slides and changing each one as needed. This helps you build a consistent design while still giving each slide the correct structure. And if you accidentally apply the wrong layout, don't worry, just click a different one and it will update instantly. So, to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Impress, select your slide from the left panel, open the Properties sidebar on the right, go to Layouts, and click the slide layout you want. That's all it takes to change the slide layout in LibreOffice Impress. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.